Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Putri Nurmaini to review Andrea Hitara book entitled Laskar Pelangi. Laskar Pelangi is the first novel by Andrea Hitara, which was published by Benteng Pustaka in 2005 in the roman genre. Now, this novel tells the story of the life of 10 children from four families who attend school SD and SMP in a Muhammadiyah school in Belitung, which is full of limitation. They are Ika, Lintang, Sahara, Mahar, Kyong, atau Chow Chin Kyong, Sahdan, Kucai, Borek, Trapani, and Harun. They attend school and study in the same class from grade 1 SD to grade 3 SMP and call themselves Laskar Pelangi. At the end of the story, members of Laskar Pelangi increase by one girl's name Flo, a transfer student. The existing limitation do not make them despair, but instead motivates them to be able to do something better. The story happened in the village of Gantung at Belitung, starting when the Muhammadiyah school was there attended with being dissolved by the South Sumatra that big boat if it did not reach 10 students. At that time, only 9 children attended the opening ceremony. But just as Pak Harfan, the principal, was about to make a speech to close the school, Harun and his mother come to enroll in the small school. That's where their story begins, starting from the placement of seats, their meeting with Pak Harfan, their extraordinary introduction where Kyong, who was even grinning when asked his name by their teacher, Bu Mus. Borek stupid incident, the election of class president, who was sternly protested by Mahar. Extraordinary talents, Ika first love experience to the risks of Lintang life, who pedaled 80 km from his home to school. They Laskar Pelangi, the name given to Bu Muslimah for their enjoyment of the rainbow. Also hand the cancer to make the school proud in various ways. For example, Maharani, refugee who was always cornered by his friends because of his pleasure in the actual, which resulted in a sweet victory at the Agustus 17 Carnival. And the extraordinary genius of Lintang, who killed and defied Dr. Randas Julfikar, a well-known and certified PNRI school teacher who won the quiz competition. Laskar Pelangi the fun day, laughing and cheering together. The story of then of floods ended with the death of Lintang father, with forced the little Einstein to drop out of school. And it was followed by an intense 12 years, in which Ikal, who was struggling outside Belitung Island, returned to his hometown. This beautiful story is hilariously and enthusiastic by Andrea Hirata. We can even feel the childhood spirit of these 10 Laskar Pelangi members, which can be taken from the Rainbow Army. Every child has a different potential, such as the poetic Ikal with an interest in literature. Lintang, a genius, a natural genius who is smart in mathematics. Mahar, a singer who loves art. Kucai, who has a tendency to be a leader. And Harun, a mentally retarded child but has millions of potential in him. Like a colorful rainbow, but is the combination of those colors that makes the rainbow even more beautiful. Do not generalize children's abilities. Do not judge a child's intelligence from a matematika score of 100 or 90 in English. But what are the obligation of parents and education that must understand children's potential will provide guidance and opportunity so that they can reach their goals. Well, that is what I tell about the novel Laskar Pelangi. More or less, please forget me. I end. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.